Prophet Suleiman's death. Prophet Suleiman lived and reigned in glory. Much of his public work was performed by the jinns as a punishment for making people believe that jinns had knowledge of the unseen. Suleiman taught his people that Allah alone had such knowledge. Even Prophet Suleiman's death was a lesson in this regard. The future is not known neither by the jinns nor by the prophets, but by Allah alone. Suleiman was seated, holding his staff, while he oversees some jinns working in a mine. The jinns, who were terrified of Suleiman, were heavily focused on the building when Allah decided to take Suleiman's life. No one was aware of his death, until days later, a hungry ant began nibbling on his wooden staff. As it ate on, the staff broke and Prophet Suleiman's body that was leaning on it fell to the floor. People ran to their prophet, and soon realized that he had died long ago. Thus everyone learned that had the jinns possessed the knowledge of the unseen, they wouldn't have tormented themselves working hard, thinking Suleiman was watching them. The life and death of Suleiman is indeed full of miracles from which mankind can derive incredible lessons. And when we decreed for Solomon death, nothing indicated to the jinn his death except a creature of the earth eating his staff. But when he fell, it became clear to the jinn that if they had known the unseen, they would not have remained in humiliating punishment. Quran 34 verse 14. Please kindly like, comment, and subscribe to this page.